Hello guys, today I this is our first this is our first in post on this YouTuber channel. So this YouTube channel is about putting up the better edits and yes. So this week we have Lars Snipe 13 try 7. This guy has not a good edit, so please go dislike him.